Got a very big cinnamon stick in mine. That's lovely. Bloody lovely. Excuse me, I'm filming a video. Prayers have been answered, dreams have been made. Hi guys, so for tonight's video we're going to be having a look at December's Lush kitchen box. I have it here. This is so early this month, I like it. I think I got dispatched like not yesterday, the day before, and it's here already. I think a lot of people have got their boxes as well. I was trying to get this filmed ASAP to avoid seeing spoilers and stuff, but I have seen spoilers on Instagram. I quickly brushed past it, but I sort of saw it, but never mind. So let's open her up and take a look. I think I put too much blush on as well, so do excuse it if, oh, there's a card, if I've got like mega blush going on. We have a Christmas card. Happy holidays, fresh from the kitchen. Very, very sweet. What does it say? Charlie, that's cute. It says, Charlie, season's greetings and a heartfelt thank you for subscribing. We hope kitchen boxes have delivered a little extra magic to you every month. XOXO Lush Kitchen. Very sweet. Let's put it by my Christmas tree. I tried to be a bit festive in the corner over here, but I don't know if you can see it. This is so cute. It smells, I can smell something very pepperminty and it smells lovely. How precious is this? Oh, it's very like, I don't know, it's giving me Grinch vibes. I don't know why, but it's very sweet. Something smells really, really good. We've got our little slip that tells us what we've got in there. Let's start with, I can't actually remember scents or anything, so I'll try and get the scents up for you as I go along. I'll grab what I think smells the nicest, which I think is the pepperminty smell that I'm getting. It might be this. This is very, very cute. Very shimmery. Oh, it smells. Oh, it is that, wow. This is Hey Hollywood Bath Bomb. So this says, add a touch of Hollywood glamour to the festive season by relaxing with the sparkly minty bath bomb in a warm bath. Let me see if I can find the scents that they are. I just dropped it. You tit. Oh, I've smashed one of the hollies off, haven't I? What a moron. Never mind, it could have been worse. This is apparently Salt and Pepper Bark, the same scent as that. I don't know if that's the same scent as anything else. It just smells very, like a sweet mint, like a candy cane scent. I'm really excited to use that. I need a bath tonight. Like, I'm craving one. So we're going to use that tonight. Gorgeous. Great start. Fabulous start. What else have we got? Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So this is Snowcake Buttercream. This says, this just in, we're expecting flurries of creamy, comforting marzipan scents with a high chance of skin softening showers. Cute. So like it says on there, Snowcake is just a very almond heavy marzipanish scent. We have recently just had it in the fragrance drop in a body spray, so you've got your match in here if you want a matchy match. The buttercreams you use in the shower, you just, I don't get them personally very much. Like, I've got one or two of them and they're all right. I only really like them for the scent. Sometimes I find them a little bit squeaky, but I mean, we'll try this one out. It might be a little bit nicer. It's like a thick sort of, it's like really, really thick. That's very, very good. Super creamy and marzipanish. Sensational. Yeah, sometimes I use them for shaving, like they're quite nice for that. They let you see where you've been and where you've missed, you know, so I'm excited about that one. It smells delicious. What have we got in here? So you've got loads in here. You've got coconut oil, almond oil, cocoa butter, ground almonds, mimosa, vanilla, tonka, very creamy, gorgeous scent. Sorry, can you hear my child kicking off downstairs? I've got my partner to watch him and doesn't sound like it's going well. I think he's just missing me. He's going through a stage recently where whenever I leave the room he cries bloody murder. Next up, let's have a little look at the soap, shall we? Oh, this is very, very creamy. So this is 'Twas the Night Before Christmas soap. This has loads in. You've got rapeseed, coconut, extra virgin coconut, lavender oil, olibanum, chamomile blue, myrrh. Gosh, that's nice. It's black pearl. Oh, I like this. We've got matchies. So we've got the black pearl perfume in the community drop as well. So you've got a soap to match that. This smells really nice in a soap. It's a very like complex lavender scent in my opinion. Really lovely though. Very nice. It feels Christmassy. I like that. I mean, a bit of a plain looking soap. It's the moon? Is it the moon? Is it meant to be like this? I don't know. So this is going to be really nice. I think I might save this for when we have the sleepy lavender box because I think it would go really well with that. Moving on, let's do... We do have 8 items in this. I think we do, don't we? Was this a special month where we've been treated to 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Let's have a look at the least excitable product, I suppose. We've got another lip scrub. This is Santa Baby Lip Scrub. Okay, so I just had to go and sort my child out. He came upstairs crying for me, so he's all settled now. He's got a snack. Where were we? I've just grabbed some food as well because I've barely eaten today and I'm about to pass out. Sorry if it's in my teeth. We have Santa Baby Lip Scrub. Never get too excited for the lip scrubs myself, and I know a lot of others don't either, but this one actually sounds quite nice. This is a cola flavoured lip scrub, I do believe. So it says, "Kiss me by the chimney tonight." I'd figured, is this cola because like Christmas, Coca-Cola truck, the advert? Would make sense, wouldn't it? It smells delicious, smells just like a Coca-Cola sweet or like a diet Coke. It doesn't smell like full fat Coke. It does smell good though. Let's give it a taste, shall we? I've just had a chicken wrap. Let's have some dessert. Top notch. I tend not to keep the lip scrubs, but I'm going to keep this one. Because it smells and tastes really good. We have that. Not too mad at that one, considering. All things considered, you know. Next up, let's do the bubble bar. Ooh, I've got a very big cinnamon stick in mine. Christmas Kisses bubble bar. I do believe we had this in the calendar last year. Mine didn't have a cinnamon stick in, but this one's a whopper to make up for it. This is hot toddy scented. So it's a cinnamon and clove number. It's just the epitome of Christmas, if you ask me. Oh, it's got some icing sugar in it or something by the looks of it. Or flour, probably flour. This is the Christmas scent, I think, at Lush, like along with cinnamon roll, you know. But this is just extra, extra festive. Is there something else in here as well that I'm smelling? There's Brazilian orange oil in there as well. There's dark summer trumpet chili. I think it's that cinnamon stick. It smells phenomenal. Lovely, cozy, festive Christmas scent and perfect for a Christmas bath. More than happy with that. More than happy. We've still got 3 more things to go. Isn't this great? Let's do the shower gel, shall we? So we have the Fairy Jasmine kitchen exclusive shower gel. Colour on that's just excellent, isn't it? The labels are very cute. Oh, there's a big candy cane. The labels are really cute as well. Little stars and baubles and candy canes. This is silky underwear scented, apparently. Good gracious, I clearly don't remember what silky underwear smells like, do I? Because that's lovely. Bloody lovely. There's a wee bit of shimmer in this as well, very nice. Oh, I definitely forgot what silky underwear smelled like. I haven't tried it in years, to be honest with you. You've got in here, you've got Jasmine, Vetiver, Ylang Ylang. Some sea salt in there. It's very soft and delicate, jasmine-y, a little bit vanilla-y. That is really, really good actually. Like I said, I haven't tried silky underwear in years, probably like 10 plus years. I just assumed I wasn't like really a big fan of it, but I'm sorry. I'm going to have to get myself a dusting. Excuse me, I'm filming a video. Yeah, really, really like that. I'm very glad about that, because a lot of times with the shower gels and the kitchen boxes, I'm not a huge fan of them. I don't like to hoard ones that I don't absolutely love, and I absolutely love that. This is going great. This is a really, really, really good box. Next up, I'm so excited for this. I know Melody is also going to be over the moon with this. Oh, it is a sugar one. I've got a Lord of Misrule body scrub, and it is a sugar scrub by the looks of it. Beautiful. Oh, it's so cute, the green and the red. This says, imbued with the wine, sweet and spice decadence of patchouli, black pepper and vanilla, this sugary scrub leaves skin mischievously soft. Ooh, she's just pure green. I thought there might be a swirl in there, but there isn't. It's just pure Christmas green. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, so squishy. That's really good. Wouldn't say it's like a super duper strong, but it's very good nonetheless. Oh my god, I can use this with my shower gel later. Oh, and my spray. Oh. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Lord of Misrule, if you're not familiar, it's herbally, really sweet. It's a little bit spicy, but it all comes together to make the most gorgeous scent, honestly. If you are yet to smell this cat, is there anything left in store at the moment? There probably still is Halloween things. You can probably go and grab some. Very happy with that. Oh, prayers have been answered. Dreams have been made. Right, last thing, and I am very excited for this. Got a fragrance. We've got a fragrance. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I've had enough. This is cheering me up. So this is, I was just scrolling a second ago, and I think this is the same scent as the bath bomb, and my goodness if it is. Yeah, so this is Bon Perignon perfume. Hang on, this is fizzy citrus. Let's have a sniff. I'm getting the spoilers off Jamie because he knows everything, I swear. He's so good. Yeah, Bon Perignon. Oh, I love getting a fragrance. Sorry, I just took the lid off. I got too excited. Right, let's have a go. That's gorgeous. That's not the same as the bath bomb though, is it? Am I getting confused? I'm a bit dim. No, it can't be. That's sensational. That is orangey. Hang on. Let me find out what's in. Is this salad? I'm so confused. Hang on. That is absolutely sensational. It's like all of the oranges merged into one. It's like fresh orange juice mixed with grapefruit. It's a bit fizzy. It's so good. Oh, I'm gonna be on Vinted for that 1,000,000%. That is, not gonna lie, one of the best things I've smelled in a very long time. I adore a citrus though, I really, really do. If you're not big on citruses, you might not be that overwhelmed by it, but I really, really like that. This box is absolutely sensational. Really good. Really good. Oh, it's almost like, it's like a mimosa. Like, you know, is that why they've done it? Oh, I'm praying people are selling this on Vinted. I've got a feeling it's going to be very popular though. Or they're going to put it on for like 20 quid because they're assholes. I love this box. I am in absolute love with it. This. There is not one thing I dislike in that. That is brilliant. Really good box. This is without a shadow of a doubt my favourite. Then I think it's this. Then it is this. Then it's this. Then it's this. Then it's this. And then it's, oh, which one? They're a drawer. The lip scrub and the soap are a drawer. That is a wicked box. That is so, so good. Are you guys happy with this one? Have you got this box? Are you happy with it? I really like it. I don't know how much more I can say that, but I do. I really, really like it. Proper happy with that. What a great Christmas box. Happy days. Yes, do let me know in the comments, how do you feel about it? Does my lipstick smudge? No. How do you feel about this box? What's your favourite product? Are you obsessed with this like me? Because I really like that. Yes, I'm gonna go. I hope you have a great day. I love you all dearly, and I'll see you soon. Bye.